Hi, this is Shalene from CDOCS Ortho. In this tip of the day, we're going to go through modifying the attachment template to ensure that we reduce the amount of flash that could result from a good bonding of our attachments. When you look at your attachment templates, you will see the negative well, and in a previous tip of the day, as well as our CDOCS Ortho Level 1 and 2 courses, we review how to properly prepare those attachment wells. One of the things that you can do to reduce the amount of flash is to take a very fine point burr on the external part of the attachment well, make a small hole into that attachment well, such that when you load all of the composite inside that well and seat it onto the tooth and compress all four sides to make sure that's intimately connecting with the tooth, any extra will go through the path of least resistance, which is that little expression hole, and it will come out. This way you will have reduced the amount of flash on the surrounding part of the teeth outside of the attachment design that you want for that patient. Make sure that you wipe away all of that excess that comes out the expression hole before curing it. Otherwise, if there's any excess composite that comes out and you cure it, then you may actually have difficulty removing the attachment template itself. Thank you so much. And please remember to always refer your patients by the age of 7 to your local orthodontic team. And join us in Level 1 and Level 2 CDOCS Ortho, where we explore the journey as well as deeply appreciate the orthodontic process as well as its relation to the clear aligner therapy, ensuring that you always have successful outcomes.